Hey, if you wonder if you can use your wireless keyboard with your Realme 11 5G, yes, you can do this, but first of all, on your settings, you will have to enable the OTG connection. So in the settings, click right here, type OTG, and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And now you'll have to find the adapter of your keyboard. That's how it looks in my case, as you can see. And I will have to plug this adapter into this second adapter of the USB-C to the USB-A. So when I when I connect it right here, I will have to also enable the Bluetooth on my Realme 11 5G. So turn it on by clicking right here. Now you will have to also enable your keyboard. So in my case, that's this simple switcher, and now it is turn it on. Next, I have to plug this adapter into my USB-C port, and now I can try if it actually works properly. So let's open something to type, for example the settings, and as you can see, right now when I'm gonna type something right here, it is actually typing on my phone. So that's how it looks. As you can see, that's quite simple, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.